Banjab Pingurup, the Congress member of District Council of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council from Rimbrai Zirgam constituency, has hinted that his political future may no longer be with the Congress and that the All India Trinamool Congress may come to power in 2023. The MDC was speaking at the felicitation program at State TMC Chief Charles Pringup, where he hinted that the people of Meghalaya will welcome AITC in the next election. Earlier on November 24, 12 prominent Congress leaders quit the party to eventually merge with the AITC.
Because you see, the Congress as of today, we can see that it has no respect, no regard for the grassroots. I can say I am a grassroots leader, and whatever the voice of the grassroots has come, we have approached the leadership. The AICC in charge have come to Meghalaya several times, and we have aired our grievances that we need a new state president to fight the 2023 elections. But they kept on delaying, and the time came that he came to observe that how many people support who. And that time I remember that the people who were in the fray for the post of the party president was Sir Charles Pringup, James Lyngdoh, and even few Garo leaders. But after seeing that, most of the MDCs and MLAs have resolved and have taken this decision that we need a balanced leader. We need a leader who's not biased. We need a leader who doesn't favor anyone just because he's family or friends. We need a leader who doesn't have any enemies in any constituency, who doesn't create confusion in ticket distribution. So we felt that the right leader was Sir Charles Pringup, and we have given our signature. We have signed that we wanted him as the PCC president. But sadly, the ICC, I don't know, through backdoor, just another new name popped up, and it was an insult on our face. It was an insult to the grassroots. It is a big insult to us that we have signed, we have stated to the in charge that we wanted who. But when the notification came, it was shocking news for us. But although the notification came also, it's not that we are not disciplined people of the party. We tried our level best to work hard with this present leadership. But we can see that they have reconstituted the state unit, and I was a secretary in the MPCC in the past, but without any valid reason, without anything, they have just removed me also as secretary from the Congress party in the state, and also they have not even given me a call also to say what is the reason that they have removed me as a secretary. I have not done any anti-party activities in the past. I've always been a loyal and an obedient person of the party. But I don't know for what reason they have removed me, and there are so many new faces in the Congress where we don't know them also. So it's very hard for us to work with the present leadership. People of the state have accepted TMC. We can see Nongthamai constituency, this much they have come here today. That shows that the people of the state have accepted TMC.